Hello guys, and welcome to this video. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this new website that I found out where you can actually learn how to build a website without knowing how to code. And the beautiful thing is that you can learn this in the space of 30 days. And if you don't get the value that you are paying for, then you're getting your money back. One thing I love about this is that there is a guarantee that you are going to learn how to build a no-code website in the space of 30 days. Now, if this is your first time of coming onto this channel, you're welcome. My name is Awajima Misioto. On this channel, I talk about how you can do stuff online, how you can make money for yourself using the internet. So if this is your first time of coming here, please do me a favor by liking this channel, like this video. Make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out whenever I share content like this. So please do that right now. All right, so we are going to go straight into this video and analyze this platform so that you can see the essence of why you should jump into this program, especially if you really want to be making money as a website designer, even if you don't know how to code. Now, if you look at this page right here, what you're seeing here says on the top, the headline says master website design without learning how to code and build your first full website in just 30 days or get your money back. Now, if you look below that, you're seeing a video. That video is a walkthrough that shows you exactly what you are going to be learning when you get access to the course. Very straightforward, no waste of time, everything on point. If you go below it, you're going to be seeing the other details. You're going to see a button that shows you how much it costs to get into this program. The program costs between 70,000 and above, but if you're getting it from here, you're going to be getting it for just 37,970 naira, which for me, I feel is a very good bargain for a skill that can help you to earn 6 figures and even get paid by foreign clients. And you know, when you start making money from foreign clients, you know that is a good one for you, especially if you are living in Nigeria or you are an African and you want to be earning in foreign currencies. Now, if you go down, you're going to be seeing testimonials. You can see from Sarah A, that is somebody who took this course. All right, if you see this again, you see another one by Amanda K. If you come here again, you're going to see Daniel R. These are people who have gotten into this program and have already started succeeding. There's so much I can tell you about this platform, but I may not be able to finish everything. But I'm going to definitely drop the link in the description section. So if you want to access this page so that you can read more and see what you can get, do well to check the link in my description. I'll also pin the link to the comment section. So check all those things so that you don't miss out. Now let's go ahead to look at other things on this page. If you come here right now, you're going to see that it's also explaining who exactly this is for. If you're somebody who you are overwhelmed by coding, you don't like anything called coding, but you really want to learn how to design websites, this is for you. Number 2, if you are stuck currently, you are stuck right now and you're looking for a skill, maybe you have gone into affiliate marketing, you've gone into e-commerce, you've gone into so many things and you have not really seen the money, I can assure you this one is something that you should go for. You don't have to go anywhere. You don't have to be shipping anything. All you need to do is to understand how to attract clients that want to design websites for their businesses. Very simple. If they don't pay, you have nothing to lose. If they pay, you have so much to gain. Are you seeing this now? So the next one is for you if you are struggling to land high-paying clients. Let's say maybe you have knowledge about web design, but you're not really getting clients. You can't be going online to be joining groups and be dropping posts all the time, expecting someone to contact you. That is not the best way to go. So if you really want to learn exactly how to get high paying client that can pay you, let's say $500, $1,000, $2,000, $4,000 for designing websites, then this is something you should get. So if you scroll down, you're going to be seeing more details about this program. All right, now introducing the website cure. What are you going to be getting? What are the values you're going to be getting when you sign up for this? Number one, you will be getting the website wizard bootcamp valued at 25,000 naira. If you join this platform, you're also going to be getting the website income formula valued for 20,000 naira. You're also going to be getting the paycheck plan valued for 12,500. You can see if you go down, there's a huge benefit of getting access into this program. There's one I really like here. See this one that says the no-fail pricing and proposal toolkit. Very, very important. If you're somebody, you have been struggling with pricing, you don't really know how to price, which is a major problem for freelancers. They don't know how to price their product. They don't know how to price their services. This is something you should get. Another one is Upwork profile setup kit. Some people have been telling you that you can join Upwork and make money in dollars, but you have joined Upwork, but you are not getting the job. This is something you should join, because when you get access to this, you're going to be learning exactly how professionals set up their profile so that they can attract people that can really pay them. Okay, your portfolio, talking about bonus 3, your portfolio setup guide. How do you set up your portfolio? The next one is bonus 4, which is the freelance success tracker. How do you track your success so that you know whether you're actually progressing or not? And then the next one is the ultimate pricing calculator. So all of these things now is priced at 140,000 naira. You know, I told you between 70,000 and upwards. Now you can see that it is 140,000 naira. But if you're getting it today, you can get it for just 37,970 naira. All you need to do to jump into this program is to click on the button, this lemon button that you see here. Just click on it. It will take you straight to where you are going to be making your payment. It doesn't matter whether you are from Nigeria, anywhere where you are from watching this right now, any African country, you can actually pay for this. So if you scroll down, you're going to be seeing more details. Okay, see this one. It says, why is this perfect for beginners? Very, very short and easy videos. I've checked it. They are just 5 minutes long lessons. So you don't have to be watching a video for up to 1 hour before you really get what this is all about. Very, very short and straight to the point. No tech jargon. So even if you don't know all these tech stuffs, it's very easy for you to understand. So there's also the plug and play tools, meaning that you can get access to free pre-designed templates and frameworks to help you speed up your work. You see why I told you that this is very beginner friendly. You will also learn how to follow actionable steps instead of drowning. No long talks. You watch it, you take action. You watch it, you take action. And in the space of 14 to 30 days, I promise you, you are going to start designing your website. And then while you're doing that, you can start announcing that you're now a web designer. Before you know it, people will start calling you for jobs. Okay, now look at it again. Here is a complete breakdown of everything you are going to be getting. Number one, like we said before, you are going to be getting the website wizard bootcamp. Okay, you're going to be getting the website income formula. You're going to be getting the client magnet system, learning how to attract clients. Okay, you're going to be learning the 30-day paycheck plan. Also, you're going to be getting the no-fail pricing and proposal toolkit. All the kits that you need to actually learn how to drop your proposal, how to create a proposal that attracts the best clients. Upwork profile setup toolkit, then portfolio setup guide, and then the success tracker. Now, if you scroll down, you can see this is the creator of the program, and this person is no other person than the CEO of Stakeout, Cesar Namani. You can see that this guy is not just a beginner, is somebody who has really done this. As you can see, he has over 500,000 users across 7 African countries, which means that this is not just a beginner. This is somebody who has been doing this for a while. That is why you should jump on this. Okay, so if you scroll down, okay, don't worry about this. I'm going to drop the link in the description so that you can look at this very well. Take your time, check what you want to check. Okay, if you scroll down, you see more details about this course. Now, this is somebody who has been a student on this platform. You can see the website that she has created. If you scroll down, this is another one, Vivian. If you scroll down, this is Chikamso. These are people who have passed through this program and are now website designers. So like I said before, if you really want to get this is very affordable, 37,970 naira, and I promise you this is the best time to get this because this price might increase very soon. So if you scroll down, you're going to see the value you are going to be getting again still here. Just keep scrolling. So these are the things you're going to be learning when you get on this platform. And one thing I like here is that if you go down, you will see the frequently asked questions. So whatever questions you have on your mind about this program, it has been answered all through this part here. So I will drop the link in the description so that you can check it. All right, so that you can check it and see the things that you're going to be getting. I'll also pin it to the comment section, so do well to check all of these things. Remember, I said this is not just for you as a beginner. This also is for you if you have been designing but you have not been getting clients. This is for you. All right, that is where I'm going to stop for this video. I believe that you have learned something from this video. If you got value from this video, please make sure to like, make sure to subscribe, make sure to turn on your notification bell because I'm going to be dropping more valuable content like this. And please, if you have someone that needs to see this, please share it so that they can see it. All right, like, share, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Please don't forget, if you need this, go to the comment section, go to the link in the description, check for the links, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.